Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can check in with the United Airlines app. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so you want to make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you actually want to do is make sure your app is fully updated, because if you don't have the latest version, the process might be a little bit different to this. So to check if you got the latest version, head over to the App Store and just type in United Airlines, and if there's a button that says update, go ahead and do that first. Once you've done that, we can go ahead and open the app, and it should look something like this once you have got it open. Now what you want to do from here is go up to the top left corner where you can see those three bars, and we just want to click on that to open up the menu. So when you open up that menu, it looks something like this, and we can see a whole bunch of options like my account, passes and subscriptions. But we just want to open up the Mileage Plus program, and then we should see an option down here that says check in. Now we just want to go ahead and click that check in button, and then from there it will actually ask us a few questions about our flight, and then once we do that we will have successfully checked in. Now once you've done that, you can see the estimated boarding time, the gate in which you're going to be at, and you can also see your boarding pass, trip details and all those other things. So let's say you wanted to get your boarding pass ready, you can go ahead and click that boarding pass button here, and it will open up this section here, and you can even add it to your phone if you need to on Apple Pay or Google Pay. So that's exactly how you can check in with the United Airlines app. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.